Hello, I'm Tom Karp, Anoka-Hennepin Schools Operations Supervisor. I'd like to talk about the enhanced cleaning and disinfection that will be happening at district schools and facilities to safeguard students, staff, and our communities against COVID-19. Since the pandemic, a lot has been discussed about disinfecting common touch points. Yet, this is nothing new for our district's cleaning staff. Our team has always used a hospital-grade disinfectant in restrooms, health service areas, classroom sinks, and hallway drinking fountains. It's important to note that these staff members all understand the safe and appropriate application of our products. Since March, the team has been re-engineering cleaning and disinfection strategies as students have come back to schools for childcare and athletic practices. Some additional cleaning areas now include entrances, door handles, and switch plates, to name a few. In between nightly cleaning and disinfection, there will be classroom cleaning kits available throughout the day as an option for instructional staff. The kit includes spray sanitizer for hard surfaces and cleaning microfiber towels. A 23-page custodial operations guidebook has been provided to every cleaning staff member. It details enhanced best practices to clean and disinfect schools in today's pandemic environment. Cleaning and disinfecting is part of a system of health and safety protections at Anoka-Hennepin this school year. Face coverings, physical distancing, hand hygiene, and other safety measures are also in place. Learn more at ahschools.us/COVID-19.